Hi, and welcome to Gadget News and Review. We are home to some of the coolest gadgets, and the best consumer reviews online, buyer's guides and features. If you like our review, please subscribe for more upcoming reviews videos. Earn a living repairing smartphones. It is an unavoidable fact that smartphones can, and do, break. When they do, people want to get them repaired, but often the only option they have is to take their device back to wherever they purchased it from and have the merchant return it to the manufacturer. This process of sending it away, having it repaired, and sending it back can take days, or sometimes weeks if the fault is serious, and this can be frustrating and inconvenient for the owner. Being able to repair smartphones for people in your local area could give you a great opportunity to start your own business, or add a repair service to your existing business if you already deal in electronics or phones. You can get started straight away by signing up to our free email newsletter, which will give you great tips to help you get started. Trends and facts about smartphone and laptop repair business. Nearly 52% of the world's population has internet access, that's just under 4 billion people. Those numbers are heavily influenced by North America and Europe, where internet penetration is over 80% for each continent. Smartphone and laptop repair is a major segment of the industry. IBISWorld estimates the yearly revenue of the cell phone repair industry at $4 billion, with an annual growth rate of 3%. SquareTrade, a company that insures smartphones, reports a cell phone in the US breaks every 2 seconds. Fragile LCD assembly, short battery life and other breakable parts also contribute to a stable market for smartphone repair shops. Tablet repair is also quickly gaining market share. Smartphone repair course. In order to be able to repair smartphones, you will need to have an in-depth understanding of smartphones, how they work, and all their internal components. A smartphone repair course is the best way to get this knowledge, as it will allow you to learn in a structured and simple way. Our smartphone repair course is a series of lessons, taught by people who have expert knowledge of repairing smartphones. Each lesson covers a major fault that smartphones are likely to develop, showing you how to identify the problem and how to repair or replace the faulty parts. Our course is a simple and easy way to learn everything you need to about how smartphones work and how to be able to repair them. Learn step by step how to fix your own mobile phones. If you find yourself in need of some mobile repair, or want to learn more about it to perhaps start repairing cell phones for a little extra money, this website has the information you need. How to disassemble and assemble different types of cell phones. Identifying different parts of GSM and CDMA handsets. Tools used for mobile phone repairing. How to use different tools used for mobile repairing. Work of different parts and ICs. Jump ring techniques. Techniques used to repair, troubleshooting different faults. Course includes repairing basic as well as advanced cellular phones. Course contents. Part 1, Smartphone repairs. Cell phone basics. Block diagrams. Hardware troubleshooting and repair. Software troubleshooting and repair. Flashing and unlocking techniques. User lock, SPC, MSL, FSC, OTKSL. GSM unlocking, using codes. Using software to remove user lock, SPC, what is PRL? What is ESN, MEID? CDMA software defined. Part 2, Basic electronics declassified. Ohm's law. Series circuit. Parallel circuit. Identifying electronics components and circuit symbols. Resistors. Capacitors. Transistors. Diodes. Fuse. Coils and inductors. Crystal oscillators. RF and IF amplifiers and filters. ME and ESD filters. Part 3, Tools and test equipments. Safety procedures and proper handling of tools and test equipments. How to use and read a multimeter tester. Test and check up procedures on electronics components. Preparing the proper tools for repairing. Opening tools and tweezers. Soldering and desoldering tools. Moody tester. SMD rework stations. DC power supply. Cleaning kits. Reballing kits. Working table equipments. Part 4, Schematic diagrams. How to read cell phone schematic diagrams. Identifying component symbols and layout in schematic diagram. How to identify the following: resistors symbols and layout, capacitors symbols and layout, transistors symbols and layout, diodes symbols and layout, coil symbols and layout, integrated circuit symbols and layout, DC to DC voltage drivers, regulators, convertase symbols and layout, MESD symbols and layout, RF filter symbols and layout, battery cell symbols and layout, power switch, mouthpiece, earpiece and ringtone speakers, user interface symbols and layout, clock crystal oscillator symbols and layout, fuse symbol and layout, lines and symbols on schematic diagram. Part 5, soldering. How to find and locate components on PC board. How to solder SMD components manually by hand. Master soldering on any electric board. Basics of soldering. Advantages of soldering. What is soldering and desoldering? Lead-free or not? Hand soldering versus machine soldering. Electric tools used in soldering: soldering machines, hot air machines, preheaters, infrared machines, rework stations, etc. Soldering tips and soldering irons. Hand tools and accessories used in soldering: magnifier, tweezers, fume extractor, sponges, etc. Chemicals used in soldering: flux, lead, solder wire, flux remover, tin. Part 6, application of soldering in cell phone repair. Types of circuit boards, PCB solder types and cell phone generations. Which electronic components are found in a cell phone PCB: diode, transceiver, transistor, integrated circuit, 2-point solder joints or 3 joints multi-points. Underfill and underfilm. Practical basic soldering trainings. Basic and intermediate applications for training. Soldering charging ports. Soldering power buttons. Soldering flex cables. Soldering SIM card trays. Memory modules. Camera modules. Battery sockets. LCD connector modules. How to reball BGA chips manually by hand. Identifying and familiarization of common mobile phones components and spare parts. LCDs, touchscreen panels, microphones, micro speakers, switches, charging pins, antennas, battery. USB connectors. Part 7, integrated circuits. Understanding major integrated circuits (IC) on mobile phones. Power management IC. Application processor. Flash IC. RAM IC. Hardware handling procedures. Proper disassembling and assembling methods. How to test mobile phone speaker, buzzer or ringer. How to test mobile phone microphone or mouthpiece. How to test mobile phone charger voltage. How to test mobile phone vibra motor. How to check mobile phone battery voltage. How to test power on-off switch. Part 8, liquid damage. Types of liquid damage: toilet, fresh, salt, food. Tools used in treatment. Chemicals used in treatment. Part 9, troubleshooting. Hardware troubleshooting basics. How to troubleshoot not charging issues. How charging circuit works. No charging response. Charger not supported. Not charging. How SIM circuits works. Insert SIM card problem. Invalid SIM card. How keypad circuits works. How to map and trace keypad's lines. Understanding the LED light circuits. Explanation on how audio circuits work. Mouthpiece. Earpiece. Buzzer. Ringer. Headset. Vibra motor. How LCD display circuit works. Understanding how RF circuit works. The best time to start this course is now. Train with us and launch your repair business. Convenience: complete all courses via the internet. Also, a copy of the course will be sent to you via email attachment. Download, print and study at your own pace. Learn new innovative and productive techniques, discover new ways to be productive throughout your day with these smartphone tips and tricks. Flexibility: attend classes at any time and from anywhere in the world. Available 24/7 middle of the night. You need a quick answer on how to get a task done on your smartphones. Jump online and read about the fault. Problem solved. Affordable: we provide high-quality courses with much lower tuition than other training organizations. clear and comprehensive training. Our Samsung-trained smartphone specialist will help you with any questions, provide you additional resources, and keep you up to date with rapidly changed mobile technologies. Technical questions? Find answers to your mobile phone problems. Smartphone secret codes. Know all the most important new secret codes of cell phones. Our experienced beauty and wellness professionals are constantly up to date with the latest trends and best practices. We are passionate in bringing you fresh looks and styles. Make money. Setting up a smartphone repair business. Discover the 5 fatal mistakes of typical repair businesses. The secret formula for making money. Major industry changes coming and how to benefit from them. How to establish a constant stream of repair business. Where to buy cheap broken smartphones. Refurbishing and selling them at over 100% profit. Advertising the refurbished phones to command the highest profit. Where to get parts at 50% lower prices. Learn new skills today. Niche skill. Right now, the skills taught by the smartphone course aren't widely known. In 5 years they'll be as commonly known as laptop and PC repair. So now is the time to establish a dominance of your local, national market before the competition discovers it. Scarcity equals higher profit. Given the fact that this is currently a niche skill, you can earn double the wage of someone who does more common tech repair. But to enjoy this overvaluation, you have to take advantage of it now. Prices rising. A few years ago, people thought it ridiculous to spend more than a couple $100s on a phone. Now, new models are coming out at $700 and this will only increase. This means 2 things for our students. 1. People will spend more on repairing their smartphone. 2. People will spend a lot more on refurbished phones. This means the potential customer base will boom in the next couple of years. Phones being kept for longer. Given the higher price tags and better build qualities of today's smartphones, people are no longer regarding phones as temporary commodities.